Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide notifications on always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, lock your screen and one tap on the screen, and this is always on display. Okay, if you one tap on it, some clock and date, time and some other thing are showing. Okay, other things here are the notifications are also showing on always on display. If you would like to hide these notifications on always on display, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications, then go to lock screen notifications, and here just to turn off this button show on always on display. Now lock your screen and one tap on the locked screen. Except notifications, all other things are showing. So notifications are now hidden from the always on display. In this way you can easily hide notifications on show on always on display in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.